Hi everyone, let's take a minute and look at creating your own samples to use in your music. Instead of buying the sample packs everyone's using, why not create your own? I found a great spot close to home in Humpybong Park and recorded in this concrete tunnel. This time I'm recording a snare. I'll set up 2 mics, a Shure SM57 mounted on the rim of the drum, and a Lewitt LCT240 condenser overhead to capture the reflections coming off the walls of the underpass. I connected it all up to my MacBook Pro using a Presonus Studio Mobile and StudioOne 4 software. I'll capture 4 hits, soft to hard. Here we go, ready to wake up the neighbours. All I have to do now is edit the samples and save them as one-shots for use later on. This time I might import them into my Roland SPD-SX for use in a live situation. If you'd like to use my snare sample in your own productions, I'm giving it away for free. You can find me at hazardsound.com. Just scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and fill out the form with the subject as Humpybong Snare, and I'll send it to you straight away. Thanks for watching.